Good morning. It is now Sunday. Yesterday was really fun. Ended up going to the casino last night with my boyfriend. We had a really good time. But yeah, it is Sunday and I am currently reading. When am I not reading? I'm reading the third book in the Drew Collins series and it is so fun. I missed all of these characters so much. I missed Maggie. I missed Bellamy. Bellamy's crazy. I enjoy him so much. The new character Celeste Taylor is very interesting, and just trying to figure out the crime solving aspect in this book is it's just so fun. I missed it so much and I've been waiting on this book to drop for so long. So I'm having fun reading it, but part of me, I think because I'm a mood reader, wants to switch it up. I'm about to read something else now on my Kindle. I'm going to read Crooked Kingdoms, the second book in the Six of Crows series. I have been thinking about that book so much. I mean, Six of Crows was so good, but it's like I'll start to read multiple fantasy books at a time and then get overwhelmed. So now that I'm just on this one book, I'm ready to also read Crooked Kingdoms now. I want to get back into that world and see how those misfits are doing. And I know they're about to get into even more diabolical things. Like I heard, like book 1 was good, but they say book 2 is insane. So I'm gonna start reading Crooked Kingdoms now and get into that. So you guys need to go keep up with what I'm reading on Goodreads, because like I said, I'm a mood reader. I switch it up all the time, or I'll be reading multiple different books at the same time. So go follow me on Goodreads. Hi guys, I just got out the shower and I washed my hair, and so I'm about to like moisturize it and just get it ready. Look, I had a whole different vision for this Sunday in my head, but I got my period today. So completely not following the plan. I was gonna retwist my hair, but then I was like, I am not retwisting it. The bare minimum. I'm doing the bare minimum today. I washed it. So now I'm just gonna moisturize it. And I just wanted to chat. About what I'm reading and what I'm looking forward to reading in March, and just chat. Okay. Let me set this down. So, where did I leave off the vlog? I left off the vlog. I was reading Crooked Kingdoms. And that is book 2 in the Six of Crows duology. Six of Crows was so insane. And even though I'm only like 6%, between 6 and 10%, and into Crooked Kingdoms, I just already know it's going to be a banger. And I was already hearing great things about it. And so I'm just happy to be back hearing about these characters, about Wylan, about, I can't think of the main guy's name right now. What is his name? I can't think of it right now. But just being back and looking at those characters or reading about these characters is really exciting. And I can't wait to see what they get into. And they're trying to get Inej back. That's the big thing. Trying to get back Inej. Like, he loves her so bad. Main guy, he loves her so bad. But he won't say it. But we know he loves her. And so I'm just so excited to see where this story goes. I know it's going to be an intense ride. It's going to be an intense ride. I know that for a fact. Let me check my hair down. Oh, we need to wash these locks, baby. One thing you need to know about me is I'm kind of obsessed with my hair. I will just get lost at looking at it in the mirror sometimes. I just be so obsessed with my hair. But I wanted to go book shopping today, but that is probably not in my sights. You know what book I really want to purchase? Like, I am not buying another book until I get my hands on Oathbound. I need Oathbound. But you want to know what's so crazy? I read Legendborn maybe like a year ago, a year and a half ago, and I read it right after ACOTAR, which, if you must know, A Court of Thorns and Roses is how I got back into reading. Like, I've always enjoyed reading a good book. I've always enjoyed reading a good story. But A Court of Thorns and Roses was the book series that I read in my, I guess, adult age, 25, over 25. That got me back into reading. That series got me back into reading. And then I read Legendborn right after, like, expecting it to be an adult fantasy. So yeah, I did the injustice of reading Legendborn and going into it thinking that it was going to be an adult fantasy, which is bad on my part. It is a YA fantasy series. And so when I first read it, I was like, oh my god, this is like a little boring. But I think I was missing the plot. I mean, like, I read it and I enjoyed it and I do understand the plot, but I missed the plot in a way. And so I am going to give Legendborn a reread. So should I document? Yes, I'm going to document. I should do a Legendborn video, Legendborn series reading video. But anyways, I'm going to read that this month. And I want to read Bloodmarked. I do own Legendborn and Bloodmarked. I just never read Bloodmarked because after Legendborn, I was like, I was low-key uninterested, but I'm seeing Oathbound is out and everybody's like, oh my god, I'm so excited to read Oathbound, blah blah blah. So I'm like, okay, I need to do a Legendborn reread. I do need to do a Legendborn reread. So that is on the agenda. That is on the agenda. But I have some other books that I want to read. I always have other books I want to read, but I'm going to prioritize Legendborn after I finish the Drew Collins book 3, and then probably after Crooked Kingdoms as well, because I want to devote my entire time to Legendborn, Bloodmarked, and now Oathbound. Okay? Oh, my goodness. I had to get that off my chest. What books are you guys anticipating reading? What books are coming out this year that you guys want to read? Another book that I'm looking forward to, Kennedy Ryan. It's Hendrik's story. I can't think of what the title is right now. Can't Get Enough by Kennedy Ryan. I think that comes out in like April. Oh my god, I'm looking forward to that. I loved Before I Let Go. I loved the second book, which was Could Have Been Us or something like that. Could Have Been Us, I think. Oh, I love reading Kennedy Ryan's books. They make me feel like I'm immersed with the characters. I feel like I'm in there. I feel like I'm with the sisters in these books. Like, I feel like I'm with them. I feel like these girls that she writes about are like my cousins. Like they just, her writing is so beautiful. I enjoy it. And her stories are so relatable as a Black woman. Like, they're just so relatable. Ugh. Before I Let Go is literally probably like, I would reread that. I need to reread that. That was like an all-time favorite. Like, that hit so hard for me. I loved that book. So Kennedy Ryan's books are those types of books that you do not pass up. You do not pass up a Kennedy Ryan book, okay? You see one, you go get it. It's basically law. It's law. So yeah, what books are you guys looking forward to? Those are some books I'm looking forward to reading and hopping into, and yeah. My phone keeps saying I'm running out of storage. So I'm just going to close out this vlog here. Look at my hair. I'm just going to finish my hair. Wait, maybe I should pause this before I close out the video and finish my hair. Hold on. Okay, my hair's kind of almost done, but I just wanted to close out this vlog here. It's Sunday, midday. I have no other plans but to go read Crooked Kingdoms for the rest of the day. So I hope you guys have a good start to your work week, good start to your week in general. Have a good Monday, and I hope you have a great and Sunday evening, and look forward to more videos from me in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed it if you made it this far. So as always, have a lovely day.